That's definitely an exciting new area. I think here, as we see the precipitation patterns change, we may get heavy rainfall 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, and then no other rainfall the entire year. So I think it's important for people in Southern California to start looking at these options. In my case, basically we're installing gutters on our house to basically, instead of the rain just shooting off the roof and going straight out into the street, which presents problems for the city trying to capture this polluted stormwater. The idea is to make sure that as much water as possible percolates down into the local aquifer system and also waters the landscape around your particular house. So in my case, we put rainwater gutters on, and those will filter the water into a rainwater catchment system, which is essentially a rainwater garden. And so there's 4 different basins. They're lined with gravel, and that entices the water to percolate a little bit more slowly down into the ground. And also the entire berm of this landscape, this rainwater catchment garden is planted with plants that roots will eventually, they'll reach out. And so the idea is you never have to water this particular garden because it'll all be fed by the rain coming off the roof. And so it's really cool because before we had this system, we actually had a large plot of grass which we removed to make way for the system. So overall, the system is saving a lot more water. We still have a ways to go. We do still have quite a bit lawn, but we're looking at other ways to divert water from the other side of the roof out to the front of the house. So, it's a process, but this again was also subsidized by the city, which is a really great program. And I think the next plan would be to also do a very large rainwater catchment system. It would be an underground cistern where we could actually then save that water and then reuse it for landscape on